Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And I wanted to spotlight today someone that I do not know personally, Craig Valentine. He is from Maryland, and we have both been in Toastmasters, and we're both speakers, but I can't say I've gotten around in the speaking world just quite as much as Craig Valentine has. He has an MBA. He was the 1999 world champion of public speaking for Toastmasters International, winning out of more than 25,000 contestants in 14 countries. He's a motivational speaker who has spoken all over internationally: the United States, Taiwan, Qatar, England, the Bahamas. The list just goes on. And he is also the co-founder of the World Champions Edge program, which helps up-and-coming speakers turn their presentations into profits. And he's co-authored the Amazon #1 best-selling book called World Class Speaking in Action. So that's a little bit about Craig Valentine. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And if you want a little help with your vocal delivery and technique, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.